Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you requested for a detailed video on prime opinion. That's profile setting, how to set your profile right, just so that you can be getting surveys. Okay, so I decided to do this video today for some of you that requested for it, and I hope it is going to be really useful. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is to turn on your VPN. I told you about Mysterium VPN, how to set up and all of that. If you haven't watched that video, you can still go back and watch it, okay, and know how to turn on your Mysterium VPN. So ensure that your VPN is on. Whatever VPN you're using, ensure that it is on. Now, to register on Prime Opinion, please do not use Google Chrome. I think I mentioned that in the first video. If you're taking surveys or whatever, please ensure that you're not using Google Chrome. Use Google Edge, DuckDuckGo browser. This is the one I'm currently using now. Phoenix. You can use don't use Safari, please. Don't use Safari. Don't use Google Chrome. Don't use Google. Don't use Opera Mini. Use these ones that I have mentioned earlier as we progress. If I remember anyone, okay, use Firefox. So let us get right into the video real quick. So let's type Prime Opinion, Prime Opinion, primeopinion.com. So while we are waiting for this to load, let us check our VPN. That's VPN check. When you turn on your VPN, be sure that it is okay. Be sure that your location has switched. So let us go and use our Google. This is the only thing you use Google for, Google Chrome. So let's check for VPN check. Just type, what is my IP address? What is my IP address? So you've seen it. Don't forget you're doing this on Google Chrome, okay? So what is my IP address? This is what you're going to have. Please ensure that this place that is here not detected, let it show not detected. Okay, so let's go down and let's check. So you see British Telecommunications PLC, New York, England, United Kingdom, Great Britain, and and all of that. So you see we are safe, all right? Then another thing that you can also do is check whoer.net, WHOER .net. We are doing VPN check now to ensure that we are in our country of location. We're in our country of location and we're using UK. Don't forget. This video is going to be detailed. Please, you guys asked for a detailed video, and that's exactly what I'm going to. That's what exactly what I'm going to do. All right. So you see 100%. So we are good to go. Do the same thing, please, before you go on any survey site. So you see Europe, London, British summertime. Please let your time zone be the same. Where you have this time here, please, Europe, London, Saturday, August, BST, my system, BSC. So ensure that you're changing your time zone from your settings. Ensure that you're changing your time zone from your settings to whatever time zone that is here. I don't know if I should do this too, but if you cannot change your time zone, please let me know. People know things differently and understand things differently. So if you do not know how to change your time zone, please just let me know in the comment section. Let us head back to the video. I don't want this video to be long. You know me, I'm for short, cutesy, and simple. So let us use an email address. Ensure that you're using an email address that doesn't have a phone number attached to it. Okay, so you now accept the privacy policy and then click on continue. If you want to save, you can. So, okay, they've sent us an email. Let us head over to our Gmail now and get the email address. Okay, so this is the email that they sent us. So what you will do now is this: click on this confirm email to copy the URL. Okay, so click and hold. Have you seen what I just did? Click and hold, then copy the URL. The reason is because if you open it from here, it will take you to your Google Chrome, and we don't want to access Google Chrome. So you copy it and then take it back to that browser. I'm using Phoenix. I had to switch. Okay, so I'm using Phoenix right now. So let's paste it here. Let's paste that email address here and then click on go. Okay, now we have created our account. So you got 100 point bonus, cash out from 500 points. So meaning that until we get to 500 points, we won't be able to withdraw. And that 500 points is £5, which is over 10,000 naira in today's exchange rate. So let's get our welcome bonus. Click on get welcome bonus, and then this is the interface. So start your first survey. So this is where the profile setting comes in. All right, so start your first survey. You click on it, share your opinion, qualification. Before we redirect you to the survey, we may ask you question, all these things. Do well to read it through, then start the survey. Yes, I am living in UK. Please, yes, you are living in UK. That's why I said ensure that your location is showing UK. All right. So yes, we go. Enter your birthday. So here you're not expected to be completely honest. I like to use around 1995. I like to use nothing too old and nothing too young, like not too old, not too young. So let us use 1999 as our birth age. Let's use March 13. Okay, 1999, March 13. Please don't forget whatever you're doing, ensure to document it so that you don't forget. Because one of the things that will make them screen you out is if you're not consistent with your answers. So all these things, ensure that you're documenting it, except you're using your real stuff. And of course, you know that most of the times you're not using your real stuff. So ensure that you are documenting everything that you are doing for later. Then let's get to continue. So what's your gender? I'm female, so I'll go for female. What's your zip code? Now this zip code, head over to Google Chrome and just type zip code for UK. What you will do is that, remember when we went to hua.net, okay, we're able to check our country, like where we are currently living. So go to Google Chrome and just type, if yours is showing New York or England, you can just check zip code for England. A lot of them is going to come out. Just pick one and then use it. So I have one that I use all the time, FY8 1AB. That's the one I use most of the time. So let's continue. You see, we are done. So you qualified for this survey, you can participate now. So this is our first survey. This is our very first survey where we are going to be talking about ourselves, where you work and all of that. You're going to be seeing it in a bit. So which of the following categories best describe your organization's primary industry? Guys, so this is very important. The ones that I go for most of the times is either marketing and sales, IT, yeah, real estate, and which other one? I think basically those are the three that I use all the time, because I feel like those ones companies will always want to, test their products and all of that. So this time let's go for sales. I'll use sales. Okay. So sales. Employed full time. Yes, we are employed full time. I am pregnant, expecting a child within 9 months. I have one or more children under the age of 18 living in my household. So I'm going to go for that. So because my age is showing that I am 24, no 25. So I'm going to choose that I have just one child. Or let's just go for two children. So let's say I have a boy, a girl that is age 1, and I have a boy that is age 3. Approximately how many employees work at your, so you can go for 500 to 1000, 100 to 500 depending, but I'll go for 501 to 1000. What is your job level or responsibility? I'll go for manager because look at my age. Depending on your age, that's why I said try and choose something that is realistic. So look at my age. I said I am 25 years old. If I am 25 years old, of course, there's a tendency that I can be the manager of a particular group, right? So I'll go for manager. And then, what is the highest level of education? Completed university but no degree, university degree, masters or professional degree. I'll just go for university degree. You can go for masters or professional degree or postgraduate, whichever. So what is your current annual household income before taxes? I like to go for something that is always very high, right? So I'll go for 75,000 pounds to nine. Okay, this 75,000 pounds, I'll go for that. I like to go for something high, but you can go for something minimal. Okay, let's just go for 60. No, let's go for 70 to 74. So in which country do you live in? When you checked your IP address, it showed you the country where you lived in. So you come and look for the country here and then use it. All right, so I'm going to be using Northern Ireland. What is your ethnic group? Black or Black British? Please indicate which of the following best describes the occupation of the chief income earner: higher, managerial, administrative, and professional. Always use that. Okay. Which of the following streaming services have you heard of before? I've heard of Netflix, Disney Plus, Stream Play, Apple TV. You can decide to choose all of them, but I like to just make it look a little bit realistic, so I go for that. Which of the following describes you? I go to the gym at least 5 times a week. I said I'm a manager of a group, of a sales group. So where do I get the time to go to the gym 5 times in a week? So that's not a typical manager. That's not the role of a typical manager. So I won't go for that. I own more than 3 cars. That's not possible. You're not in Nigeria. So I am subscribed to a music stream. I have used the internet in the past 12 months. Of course, I am 25, so I don't own up to 3 cars. It's not possible. I have gone skiing in the past 12 months. I can just choose that. All right. If you could travel to any place in the world, where would you go and what would you like to do there? So I'll just say Paris. I'll go to, let's say Paris, and I'll love. So you see, we are done. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the survey. You will be redirected soon. So we have completed this survey. That's our profile setup. Very easy, very simple. So you see, we got extra 21 points. Congratulations, successfully completed the survey. Da da da. So let's just rate our experience. It was sweet, super. Okay, so that's very simple. That's how you set up your profile. That's the profile setup. I hope this video is detailed enough. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. I bring you lots of sweet updates. I'm coming up with other survey sites. This is it from Prime Opinion. It is very simple. Look at their surveys. There are a lot of them. All you need to do is just come and try anyone out. Just answer the questions. The honest review we are talking about is not honest review in real life. Okay, it's the virtual honest review. I don't know if that makes sense. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you watched it up to this point. Please don't forget to share with your friends, give it a like. If you have any issues, please drop it in the comment section. I'd love to respond to your problem and do my possible best to solve it. To your success, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.